Hey there! Today we're checking out the Home Safeguarding Set by Safety First, a must have for baby proofing your home from top to bottom. First, opening the box reveals 80 essential safety pieces designed to make your home safer for your little explorer. Let's go through everything you get. In this set, you get 40 plug protectors. These are perfect for those low to the ground outlets that baby love to crawl towards. The smooth non-grip design blends right in and helps keep curious fingers safe. You also get 6 grip and twist doorknob covers. These are a game changer for keeping adults only room off limits. They snap around your doorknob and only turn if you grip through the holes. Adults in, babies locked out. You also have 30 cabinet and drawer latches. These go inside your cabinets and drawers to keep snacks, cleaners, and other no-no items secure. Then you have 4 cabinet slide locks, ideal for double door cabinets. They're easy for grown-ups to use but tricky for little hands to figure out. Stay safe, stay ready, and happy baby proofing.